Hey fans, thought I'd give you a quick update. The old push mower bit it pretty much, so it's time to go down, and I got myself a new Toro. And I wanted to show you something that seems to work really well. I use this liquid wrench silicone spray, and I spray a little bit underneath, like that. And then I wipe it around so that basically that makes it slick in there and keeps everything from sticking. And what's nice about it is it doesn't tend to hurt anything, but it'll make it so it doesn't rust, and it makes it so that I can wash it out really easy. Of course, this new Toro model allows me to kick it up in the air so I can change blades, sharpen it before my cuts, and set it. This is a 22-incher that will go as fast as I want it to go, for an old guy, or slow. But I wanted to get one that was easy to clean and easy to change the blades on and easy to take care of the the sharpening, because if you're cutting with a dull blade, you're already in trouble. And this is just a standard unit. Got it down at Home Depot. I'm not paid to advertise this. This is what I looked at. I looked at the Hondas and the others, and I liked some things about it, but I like the fact that I can mulch with this. I can flip it up, store it this way. Of course, I'll store it out in my shed, but right here's the key. I want to be able to change that, and I want to sharpen these whenever I need it. I want to be able to check them after my mows, because it's real easy with this tall fescue to get disease in it if you're not cutting it clean. And so anyway, that's kind of what the idea was. Sorry about that, I flipped that around a bit, but anyway, the idea is to make this as easy as possible. And so anyway, just me in the old garage, got my worm farm going behind me. You know what that's doing for me? That's creating those awesome worm castings. So, yeah. Oh, there goes some crawlers. Look. Oh, there they go. But we use this to top off with, and because my soil is really bad clay, and these little guys poop up a storm. And the good news is, they make me lots of compost. So I just give them my old scraps. That's what they're eating on right there, right now. They're munching away for me on lettuce and ground up goodies. And what'll happen is I'll mix that in. I'll show you over here. This is a little mix of peat and some other stuff. And I will mix that in, put a little fertilizer in it, and then when I spread it out here on the old lawn, this is what we get. Okay? And right now, because we've been getting rain, and I just had to mow it yesterday, I've got some lighter green and darker green spots, but as soon as I put my next wave down, which has quite a bit more iron in it, and humic acid and other great things that I mix in there, all that'll kick. And I got to try to come over here and get this magnolia that got super duper windburned. I hope it's not gone, but I got to give it some special organics, and we'll see if we can get that revived back and get her to come back. So this is old Lovin' the Green Gary. You guys have a good one. We'll catch up with you later.